The waterfall model is a sequential software development process that follows a linear and structured approach. It consists of 5 distinct phases: requirements gathering, design, implementation, testing, and maintenance. Each phase must be completed before moving on to the next. This model is often used in projects with well-defined requirements and little to no expected changes. It emphasizes planning and documentation, with each phase producing specific deliverables that serve as inputs for the next phase. The waterfall model has been widely used in the software industry, but has some drawbacks, including limited flexibility and difficulty accommodating changes or feedback during the development process.